Hi friends, welcome to our channel, and today's topic is solar flare. What is solar flare and how does it occur? This is the picture of a solar flare, and solar flare is the sudden explosion taking place on the sun surface due to magnetic effects, and it is equivalent to billions of hydrogen bomb explosion, and sometimes it is accompanied by a coronal mass ejection. And this is the picture of our flare, and for more details let's start our video. The sun is a tremendous source of energy that sustains life on earth. Sometimes the magnetic energy in the solar atmosphere build up to such an extent that it results in sudden explosion. That is, the magnetic field produced in the sun's surface is the reason for this explosion, and it releases a vast amount of energy equivalent to the power of billion hydrogen bombs. And this phenomenon is called solar flare. A solar flare is a sudden flash of increased brightness on the sun near its surface, and it is in close proximity to a sunspot group. That is, sunspot group is already discussed in another video, and this solar flare usually occurs in the proximate region of the sunspots. Powerful flares are often accompanied by a coronal mass ejection, and its short form is CME. And CME is nothing but it is the cloud of electrified magnetic gas weighing billions of tons. Usually they take about 1 to 4 days to reach Earth. After any flare, this CME reach within 4 days in our Earth. If CMEs hit Earth, they can cause geomagnetic storms, damaging our electrical systems and affecting the function of communication satellites in our Earth's orbit, disrupting the radio communications. And the temperature due to this flare gets so high that the sun emits all kind of rays, from the radio waves to X-rays and gamma rays, which can reach Earth in 8.5 minutes. That is, due to this sun flare, all type of rays are produced, and it will reach within 8.5 minutes, and astronauts in space may be exposed to the threat of this radiation. Solar flares are classified into three, and the first one is the small, and it is the C class flares, and medium is the M class flares, and it is of minor radiation storms, and the major is the X class flares, and severe radiation storms are due to these flares. And the first flare was on September 1, 1859, and it is termed as the solar storm of 1859, and or another name is Carrington event by the scientist who discovered this. That is reported by a British astronomer, Richard Carrington and Richard Hodgson. And the biggest solar flare is on November 4, 2003, and the Earth was not affected much as only a part of the CME was directed towards it. The solar flares usually takes place near the sunspots, that is the region of strong magnetic fields. So they tend to follow the same 11-year cycle as that of sunspots, that is the time taken for the number of sunspots to increase from a minimum to maximum and back to another minimum. That is, the solar flares occurs in a 11-year time gap. And this much is our video. If you are interested, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.